Let me share this with you. As a coach, to compete against the rapid development of AI, you need to be 1, grounded, resilient, and creative. In other words, able to keep your bearings during tough, turbulent times, able to create 100% presence with your potential client, and to be able to innovate and take action when most people freeze. Your authenticity is crucial, and you need to provide transformational impact, not transactional impact, based on clarity and the truth, not assumptions. Number 3, deep connections and deep relationships. In a world flooded with AI-generated content, value will flow to and from people, a community or an audience that resonates and trusts you. This requires you to have the courage to show your vulnerability, as well as being able to keep things in perspective. Number 4, visibility or discoverability. By growing and nurturing a group of people who you are in a relationship with through community building and deeply authentic content that cuts through all the AI-generated noise. And number 5, I referred to it briefly in the previous one, community. Have a trusted network of like-minded peers and mentors who are facing the same challenges and opportunities as you, while helping each other to find the best way forward. Never underestimate the power of camaraderie in a community. People love to belong, and they love to belong in a community where they feel safe, as this builds trust and faith in each individual member's belief that they can implement what they learn from within the community. Let me finish by giving a big shout out to 2 people who I've had the privilege of working with in terms of communities. Alan Edwards, the founder of the Alpus Group, and Jamie Smart, the founder of the Thriving Coach Blueprint. Thank you, guys. You are brilliant.